Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to download Canva on your PC or laptop. This makes it easier to design faster and work offline. Installing the desktop app gives us quick access to our projects and tools without needing to open a browser every time. To download Canva, go to www.canva.com, then add a / and type downloads and press enter. Here, we can see the download option for Canva for Windows. If you're using Mac OS, iOS, Android, or Chromebook, you can select the option that matches your device. Since we are using Windows, we will download Canva for Windows. The download will start right away. We just need to choose the folder where we want to save the file. Click Save, and Canva will download to our computer. That's all we need to do to download Canva on our PC or laptop.